Hello. You have told me that you have watched the first video, so now I can brief you about HTML. So, first of all, you shall be using this link that let me put it back. This link called W W3 schools. This one that you can see, uh, this other one, HTML tutorial. So the one in blue color, w3schools.com. So you always put w3schools.com on the net, and they always bring you something like this. So usually we are all about studying about HTML, and you have to know that when designing a website, we use the language called HTML, and HTML means a hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. So whenever we are working on websites, there are some programs that we shall use, but basically we shall be using Notepad. You shall go to your computer, you just search Notepad, and then they shall bring you that Notepad. You just open it, then you shall start typing in some codes like this one that you can see here on this page. These ones, starting with where you see doc type HTML, and of course ending with something like slash HTML. So usually with the websites, whenever we have to design a website, first of all we use these tags. You can see something like this tag, the one that you're seeing, this other one, in blue, this which is we call it angle tags. This other one that is showing less than sign, then this other one that shows greater than sign. So usually you have to open the tags like this, then again you close them like this. So for every tag that you put, for every word that you use in HTML, it has to be in tags. So first of all, we have open tags. You can see doc type HTML. Now we have open tags again, HTML. We have closed them. We have open head. We have open title. And remember that whatever that you have opened on top, we have to close them. And in closing them, of course, we write like how we wrote it at first, but with a slash this time around before the word. You open the tags, you put a slash. So meaning now you have closed, let's say the heading, let's say the body, let's say the HTML. That's why you see you opened HTML, down at the bottom you had to close HTML. You open the body somewhere like here, you had to close the body somewhere like there down. So you again open the title, you had to close title from here. So usually that is how maybe you can type in the tags into your notepad, and we even have this option, try it yourself. So once you click on try it yourself, of course they will show you the tags. After you have put the tags, they show you the outcome. So you can see this word that is saying this is a heading. It was once put here where you see H1. You open tags of H1, H1 meaning heading 1, and heading 1 means the heading in the biggest font size. That is why you see heading 1, it is acting like a big word here and it is bolded. And where you see PP is a paragraph. Paragraph means like a new line, I can say. So this is a paragraph. You can see how it is looking. So the whole codes that you can see just on this page, just where I'm scrolling up and down, they are the ones that have made this just two words. So after you have put, let's say, some of these tags in Notepad, you can go to File, click on Save As, then put a file name. But on file name, let's say you have written, let's say, Linda then you can put .html. So you always save what you have done in Notepad with an extension of .html. So for example, if you want to save your work as Linda, then you have to put linda.html, and then you just choose the location, whether it is a desktop, and then you just click save. So your work will be saved on the desktop. And then after you have reached on the desktop, you will see something like a web page, because now what you have created itself is a web page, and the website is a collection, or it is a combination of very many web pages. So if you need a website, of course you have to create a different web pages, like the one I'm saying that maybe we have created using your Notepad. Then you join them, and then you come up with a website. So after you have saved it, let's on the desktop, the moment you want to open it, you just double click it, it will open automatically as a web page. And if you want to do some editing on that, of course you have to right click within that work that you have saved on the desktop, then choose option open with, then go to Notepad, then it will open like how you were working on it at the beginning, meaning from there you can do some editing, you can do what, and then you have your work. But basically he was just giving some simple highlights so that maybe I can guide you somehow on something else that you would ask. Thank you.